Good morning, friends. This is January 1st of the new year, which is 2022. So, from all of us from Akulmak, we want to wish everyone, every viewer, a very, very happy and prosperous new year. So, moving on, I think we talk about prosperity and we must talk about the tech world, what is going on in the technology, especially in India. You know that India is being promoted as one of the major manufacturing destination for the global business, and as part of this initiative the Indian government has directed the Apple to start manufacturing, to increase their manufacturing investment in India currently. Or let's talk about 2021. In 2021, Apple India generated a turnover of $3 billion, a substantial amount. $3 billion is not a small amount, it's a very big amount. And year on year, if you keep making this kind of profits from Indian people by selling their product, I think it's about time that Indian government takes some action. And this is exactly what has happened. Indian government has directed Apple to increase their base by investing up to $10 billion to start manufacturing their products out of India. And the second direction is to have manufacturing worth $50 billion in next couple of years. So this is something which is very, very interesting. Apple products are acclaimed worldwide, and they produce some of the best mobile devices, personal laptops, and other devices which are accepted by most of the professionals by and large. In fact, all the high-end activity, even people like painters and all that, they have moved on to iPad for painting their paintings, etc., because their stylus and everything is so sensitive. And a lot of musicians have moved on to Apple platform to produce using different applications on Apple platform to produce music. So I think the acceptance of Apple is very, very high. Their closest competition is Samsung. They have already invested in India big time to start manufacturing mobile devices and other units, other things which they produce out of India. So it's about time that the Apple must also do that. And when Apple like company is making so much profit from Indian people by selling their products, I think it's about time to also give some benefits to Indian people. So I think, keep in mind, there will be investment from Apple of up to the extent of $10 billion in terms of boosting the manufacturing of Apple products, and Apple will have to produce all the products worth about $50 billion in next couple of years. I think this is something which is very, very interesting, because this is also going to strengthen the India initiative of Make in India. And as you know, friends, that the government of India is pushing very hard to get the Indian new chip being rolled out from India in next 18 to 24 months. So this is going to be yet another milestone by asking Apple to start producing in India, because overall the chip manufacturing or the high-tech IT manufacturing will get a boost because of this. Samsung is already doing that. Now Apple will start doing it, and in next 24 months time we will see an Indian chip being rolled out from Indian manufacturers. So this is interesting. I think let's keep a watch on what happens next, and I will once again like to wish you a very, very happy new year before signing off, and I'll meet you tomorrow again in Akulmak Live.